Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, we are showing you a brand new FOB for your Chevy. Now, it can fit a very wide range of vehicles, so please check out the listing and make sure you get this for your vehicle. Make sure your vehicle can use this, but let's show you what it looks like. It's a switchblade, so you would have the key cut. Either locksmith or the Chevy dealer or whatever vehicle you have, they can do it. It is programmable, so you have unlock, lock, looks like your trunk, panic button, and remote start. So this is a lot nicer than the old stock ones. So inside does give you introductory to it, goes over the brand type and goes over some things about programming, goes over the key fob manual, so it will go over different things. You can call a number, locate a locksmith, they give a website. There's still other stuff that you can do on here. So make sure you check this out. But yeah, it's really nice. I really like this a lot.